All right, we're reviewing this Moyu RS3M magnetic cube. Super excited about it. So let's see what it's like.
So I think the first thing is the accessories box. It is kind of hard to get out. So yeah, this is the accessories box. It comes with a little screwdriver, this little circle piece, this other little circle
What do those pieces do?
So there's this where it is homepage of Moyu, and then this is a mini function cube display box. I think this is the instructions to it. And then here's the cube right here. Here's a stand that it will just go on like this.
What's it feel like?
It feels smooth, and the reverse corner cutting is pretty good. The regular corner cutting is also really good.
Okay. Anything else about it?
I like the colors, how they're really vibrant, and that the caps are pretty easy to pop off.
Is that what these are for?
Yeah, so this is an extra piece for this, I think. This is to adjust the screw, and this is a tool to adjust the setting.